What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and newest micro cap plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and like always, I got a banger for you guys in this video. But before we get into that, Meme Coin Daily, 1,004 subscribers, 1,040 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Let's get to 1,100 subscribers. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, especially if you hold the project that we're about to cover in this video. Luffy token. Luffy community supporting content creators could get this video into the algorithm and get new eyes on the project. And please be aware, guys, that I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile, guys. So never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, when we take a look at the Luffy token website, this project has been out for a good little minute, and the dev team of the project has still been putting in that work, developing the project. The community has still been super active, super socially engaged. I see you guys letting me know about the project on my Twitter, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I had to look into it. And I gotta say, great job for the consistency in the space, you know what I'm saying? You gotta give props and, you know, credit to developers that keep working on the project. There's developers that just make a project, you know, get their money from, you know, marketing wallets or whatever, then they just come and go, you know what I'm saying? Not with this, not with Luffy token at all, guys. We have a dev and team that has been continuously doing their best to deliver even throughout this bear market, and the bear market has been brutal for most investors, you know what I'm saying? So it's great to see. I've seen on the top that there is a migration, you know what I'm saying, button right here, so I'm guessing they moved over to a V2 contract. Let me know down in the comments section, guys. But yeah, revolutionizing the cryptoverse. Luffy wants to revolutionize the cryptoverse by creating a matchless ecosystem combined with their own blockchain. Okay, so we about to get some smart contracts for Luffy. You know, I love smart contracts, guys. Blockchain technology, whether, you know, the world wants to admit it or not, is the future. And who knows, Luffy could scoop up some of that market share from even, you know, even some of the bigger chains once they could deliver on their own blockchain. Luffy on BNB chain, so it's also cross chain as well. So there's an ETH version and a BSC version. Then we have the ecosystem of Luffy, 10 utilities combined into a single project. Anime Earn, where you have staking, 24% APR staking, which is pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Very nice number, not too inflated. When you see numbers of 200, 300%, 1,000% staking APR, you know that's like, you know, is a recipe for disaster, you know what I'm saying? 24% APR is not too inflated. That's pretty good. NFT marketplace, NFT where you could buy and sell anime and manga NFTs, pretty bullish stuff. Land of Kai, 3D open world play to earn game, so they already have a play to earn game in the works. Crypto Academy, where you could learn about, you know, everything crypto. Anime Mass, advanced DeFi multi-chain platform to buy crypto, stake, and more. Okay, nice. Anime Swap, gotta have a swap decentralized exchange, create and manage your own wallets on the Ethereum blockchain. Anime DexT, a powerful web platform for token charts and with unique safety features. Multiverse Studio, VR events where users can participate on several events on the multiverse. Okay, metaverse play as well. The Luffy blockchain, which I'm most interested in, a protocol for building and connecting all meme and anime tokens. Like I said, blockchain technology is the future. Once the team could deliver on this and make it great and a usable chain, because their target is meme and anime tokens, you know what I'm saying? So who knows, the time may come, because anime is a very popular demographic. The time may come where anime companies get into crypto, right? And then, like I said, Luffy could scoop up some of that market share from some of those projects, guys, you know what I'm saying? Mech Hero anime racing play to earn game with over 150 character attributes, 2 play to earn games as well, guys. And we have a breakdown of the project. It launched last year on the 4th, 2021, building an entire ecosystem for holders and fans alike. Luffy's built on a foundation of transparency and open communication with the community. It's great to see that it has been around for more than 1 year. Typical meme coin projects, guys, come and go in the first 2 weeks even. You know what I'm saying? Not even the first month, the first 2 weeks. Luffy, the project Luffy has been around for a year. They're still building, they're still doing their best, you know what I'm saying? And you guys as the community, super base, very active, which is something you really love to see in the space, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to meme coins, because these are high risk, high reward plays. So make sure to manage your risk, guys. Like I say in every video, never invest more than you're willing to lose, because you just never know. But you could say that about the upside of a project as well, right? You just never know if it goes absolutely parabolic in the future, right? Transparent team, 20 plus EX listings, 20 plus EX listings. Whoa, that's bullish. What? Okay. You know what I'm saying? 32% burnt liquidity lot, a registered LLC. Hold on. Oh, we got some legitimacy here. Registered LLC. Okay, play to earn game, reward mechanism, and more. And then we have the Tokonomics right here, 2% reward slash burn. Okay, nice. 2% liquidity and 2% marketing. Not even too much of a big marketing wallet, you know what I'm saying? 2% to the liquidity, 2% to the rewards and burning. Oh man, that's pretty nice. Tokenomics, 6% round trip. And we have the team, they do their best to develop and market. And we have the roadmap. So phase 1, they already completed their phase 1, guys. Like I said, DGen meme coin project or not, the Luffy team and you guys as a community has been consistently putting in that work. You know what I'm saying? You can't ignore that fact, right? Y'all already got phase 1 of the roadmap complete. Phase 2 is almost finished. 20 CEX listings. Next is the marketplace, the DexT, the swap, top CEX listings. 100,000 holders. How much holders? I'm gonna check Etherscan. 150k Twitter followers. You know what I'm saying? And then you have phase 3. You already got through phase 1. Now you almost like 60% through phase 2. Very bullish, guys. Very bullish that, you know, you're delivering, and to the Luffy team, you're delivering and putting in that work, guys. Luffy on CoinMarketCap, we got 39k people that has Luffy on their watch list. 12.6 million dollars in market cap, 833k 24-hour trade volume. That's actually pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Cross chain ETH and BNB, and they have a CertiK audit as well. So far for me looking into the project, guys, it is looking very legit, and it has pretty good trade volume in a bear market. There's some altcoins with great utilities, you know what I'm saying, that I'm a fan of, that don't even have, you know, similar trade volume to this 833k. They got some altcoins with only like 100, 200k, and you know, this market cap right here, 12 million. And if we look at the chart right here from CoinMarketCap, it has been holding stable this floor in an accumulation phase, and it's looking like it's rounding to make a move to the upside, you know what I'm saying? Obviously this is probably the post migration launch, and then the bear market came in, and then it had a nice move back up in May. Is Luffy following the broader market? The chart looks like it's following the broader market, because they had a ton of altcoins that made a move up around, you know, around May, similar to the same time that Luffy did, you know what I'm saying? So keep an eye on that, guys. And we come down to some of the exchange listings. We could see it's on Gate.io, pretty bullish, LBank, BitGet, and obviously Uniswap and PancakeSwap. It has a lot of trade volume on LBank, and not a bad amount on Gate.io with 79k, 136k on LBank. Heading over to the DEX tools of Luffy for a more detailed breakdown. We got 1.19 million in liquidity, pretty nice stuff. 12.58 mil market cap, 26k holders. That wallet distribution is pretty nice. Okay, 26k holders. I like what I see there, and you know, like I said, it's in this sideways accumulation. It's looking like it could make a move to the upside with the broader market, you know what I'm saying, as the market gets more bullish, it could start to make moves to the upside, including any catalysts and any news that they unveil in the future. Again, like I said with Luffy token, something that recently went live is the Luffy burn pool. So you have a burn and supply, full breakdowns of the burns, and they have the latest burns right here, you know what I'm saying, from sells and buys. And right now the burn goal is 50%, 33.5% already burned. And you know, this is actually very bullish stuff right here, guys. And then we have a ranking system as well. This recently just happened, so like I said, they're building throughout the bear market. They keep, you know, delivering on things for the project compared to a lot of other projects that launch, you know, that just make promises, never deliver. At least with Luffy token, you're seeing things being done for the project, you know what I'm saying, which is pretty nice to see. Hopping over to Luffy's official Twitter, it has 84.4k followers. That's pretty nice stuff, guys. That's pretty bullish to have such a large amount of followers, and it's the world's first anime token. It will be interesting to see, who knows, in the future, right? Anime, that type of demographic gets into blockchain technology, and then Luffy gets a partnership with you know, a very large anime company that decides, hey, I want to step into, you know, crypto. I want to be a part of crypto. Who knows if Luffy could get partnerships with, you know, with huge anime companies in the future, right? You can't rule anything out, guys. We have a pinned tweet from the official Luffy Twitter. Hey Luffy crew, here is our utility schedule. We are dropping 3 utilities in December. Okay, keep delivering. Luffy Swap, the marketplace, and Luffy Burn. One of them is already checked off, right? Luffy Burn is already checked off. Additionally, our COO will start a crypto academy in the coming days. Marketing is starting. Different YouTubers will promote Luffy again. Hey guys, I'm checking out the project for you guys because, you know, you guys, you know, the community was based. Let me know about the project. I'm checking it out. So Luffy crew, please be sure to support this video, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Let's get this video in the algorithm. And then we have the release dates right here for all of the utilities. Building throughout the bear market. 565 likes, 231 retweets. Nice to see. We are happy to announce the release of Luffy Burn dashboard, burnluffytoken.com. In addition, we have burnt 0.1% of the supply to celebrate our first utility in December. Here's the Ether scan transaction, new utility on the 18th of December. You got to give the dev team, the dev and the team of Luffy props, man, and you guys as the community, Luffy crew, props as well, because you guys have been pushing since last year August and you're still pushing right now, you know, for a meme coin. That is great to see, right? That's what I'm saying. A lot of projects come out in the first 2 weeks, they gone out of existence, faded away. Y'all are still here. And when there's a bunch of new retail that comes into the space, as long as you guys could keep this momentum up, who knows what could happen in a bull market. This project could go absolutely parabolic. I really like what I see from Luffy token, guys. The project has kept on building and doing their best and delivering throughout that whole year and 6 months. Even throughout the bear market, they're doing their best, you know what I'm saying? So props to the dev team, props to the Luffy crew, you guys as the community for putting in that work. You guys keep up the momentum and the future will be bright for Luffy. If you guys hold Luffy, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps the channel out. And if this is your first time hearing about Luffy, let me know what you think about the project. Comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything Luffy and myself will be down in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.